Happy New Year to all of you tuning in to this unboxing from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. Here is Series 9 here in 2020. Can you believe it? And on the back of the package, let's go ahead, turn this around. We have the Grave Digger returning. There's Dragonoid Gold, Zombie, Max D, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Octonator, Jurassic Attack, and the Mohawk Warrior is in Arena Favorites, and it is featuring here in 2020 the VIP wristband. Right here I got Gravedigger on, so let's go ahead and unbox the Mohawk Warrior. On to the wristband and poster for Mix 9, and here we go with a purple wristband. It has monsterjam.com on it, and it also has tire marks on it, and it has the Monster Jam logo. There we go. And real quickly, we're going to show you the poster for Mix 9, because it does have the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Monster Jam truck. Very cool to go along with the correct version of the Mohawk Warrior. Now it does have now the correct version of the Mohawk, and it was interesting because I never really realized how much that the 2019 version was wrong. And so I thought it was a little bit different. I mean, I knew it was different back then. I would have to go back and even see my review on it. But anyways, this is now the correct version. It has a little bit less purple on the truck and everything. It has purple and everything like that, but it's probably hard for them to get everything on the truck. I mean, they're doing a great job in everything, Spin Master, but some of the detail just around the flames, I guess, even on this part of the truck, on the front clip, it's a little bit difficult. And also along here, seems like there should be a little bit more purple if I look on the truck and everything, the real version. But anyways, let's go ahead and turn it around. There we have the other side of the truck in the back. Very cool to have Great Clips back, and also to fix that Mohawk. One other thing that I want to point out is I kind of like the 2019 version of they have the purple wheels compared to the black wheels, but one thing that you can do is you can take the bodies off and just swap them if you want to. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this review of the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior.